web navigation commands. So here navigation example will be open browser URL LinkedIn. After that again automatically this will close and again open to LinkedIn. So let us proceed. This is the code what I have written and executed in a proper way. Had some debugs, but I have solved it. Here is the first URL and this is the second URL, and this is particular to explore the second page. It is a different link. Automatically it will take the command and open the page. So now here I have given 5 minutes gap here. So let us run and test it. I have tested in this one. It is opening the browser. Now the home page of linkedin.com has opened, and next this is the explore page automatically open, and again it will come back to linkedin.com, and now the command is to close the browser. Again it is going to the discover page. Now it will get closed. This is the code what I have written, and the section for the navigational commands is closed. Other all updates I'll be giving it tomorrow.